Aerial circus just basically uses an aerial apparatus. We use silks, which are like the two ribbons. There's aerial hoop, and we'll do aerial hammock today. It's super fun. It's a really great way to get your physical exercise in, but the big issue that I had is I'm neurodivergent, and it's one of the only forms of exercise that I've ever found that I actually really enjoy. It makes me feel confident, it makes me feel capable. So that's something that I really wanted to bring to Virginia Tech. When I moved here to start my PhD program, there wasn't really anything like this in the area.
Aerial silks, that's my specialty, where you have kind of the two pieces of fabric coming down. It is really built off of using different pinches, so you're pinching the fabric between your body, or you're kind of wrapping yourself in a way that essentially ties you in. And from there, you could do an infinite number of poses and positions. I think that's part of the appeal, is that you can really make it your own. So it becomes a form of self-expression, in addition to a really fun way to build mobility and strength and flexibility.
It was fun. It felt very safe, but it also looked very cool when the instructor was doing it. I'm still getting a fantastic workout, and I'm still able to exercise all of the muscles in my body, but one, it's easier on some of my joints, and two, it's, I think, a little bit more exciting.
Aerial circus is really good for people who have bigger bodies, people who have different types of disability. It's really adaptable.
And just like opening up that plane of movement to someone can be really empowering. And there's really just something about when someone gets it, you know, and you see it click, but with aerials, you see their body get it as much as their mind, and seeing that come together is just like, it's really cool.